In our last video, we drew Rumi from Huntrix, and today, we're drawing her teammate, Zoey, full of fun and energy. But don't go anywhere, because in our next video, we'll be drawing Mira, too. So grab your pencils, follow my lines, and let's get started. Zoey is the shining star of Huntrix. She leaps into every adventure with a smile, singing her heart out while facing the unknown. Her voice is bright, like lightning. Her spirit is unstoppable. With every step, she brings hope and power to her team. Today, we capture that energy. Let's draw Zoey together. And that's our drawing of Zoey. I hope you enjoyed creating this magical K-pop hero with me. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It makes me super happy. And make sure to subscribe so you won't miss the next character from Huntrix. You can also check out my Huntrix playlist, full of other heroes waiting to be drawn. See you in the next fun drawing. Bye-bye.